Today I'm going to show you how to make a cap mockup in Adobe Photoshop. First, select your quick selection tool from the toolbar. And click and drag over the cap to select it. Press Ctrl J to cut the cap from its background. Let's name it Cap. Now go to File, Place Embedded, and place your pattern. Decrease the opacity to 50%. Adjust the size and position. Press Enter on your keyboard. Now set the opacity back to 100%. Go to Layer. And create Clipping Mask. Change the blending mode of this layer from normal to multiply. This time I'm going to make a shine effect, to make it look even more realistic. So select the bottom or background layer. Then press Ctrl J to duplicate. Then drag the copy and drop it above the pattern layer. Right-click, and convert it to Smart Object. Now go to Filter. And choose the Camera Raw filter. Open the Basic panel. Drag the saturation slider all the way to -100. I'll make the exposure -4. And the whites +65. Then hit OK. Go to Layer. And create Clipping Mask. And change the blending mode to Screen. I'll decrease the opacity all the way to 50%. We'll name it Shine. Now let's zoom the image. And you can see that every edge of the design will be sharp, so we need to make it a bit blurry. So let's select the design or pattern layer. Go to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. Now drag the radius slider all the way to 1.5 pixel. Then press OK. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.